How to fix OmeTV camera loading. So if your OmeTV app's camera keeps on loading itself and then you're not being able to load it, first and foremost we will check if the OmeTV app has our camera access. So we will simply go ahead and then basically long press the OmeTV app icon on Android and tap on the I button to go to its app info button. On Android devices you can just go to permissions and make sure to allow the camera permissions for the OmeTV app. Similar can also be achieved on iPhone. You just have to look for it in the settings, so it's for camera access, and enable it for OmeTV. Once you've done that, if it's still not working, I would recommend you uninstall and reinstall and re-allow the camera permission again, and also check the update to the latest version. If your OmeTV app is not updated to the latest version, make sure to update it to avoid any sort of bugs, and this way you should be able to fix if your OmeTV camera app keeps loading. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.